Hi everyone, I thought it was worth doing an update as we've had quite some movement already. I'll just start from the high level and work our way down. We talked about having orders at around 104,500 and 106,200. Personally, both of mine got filled, but it's not really bounced like I would have hoped. But the 104,500 is a weekly level. The 106,200 is a daily level. On the weekly, it's still kind of okay, but that would be a rough monthly if it closed here. Thankfully, there's still a few days. The monthly, still trying to break out, but I mean, it's a while away. I probably wouldn't use the monthly personally for that kind of thing. So on the daily, we had a close below the range, which is kind of, in my view, somewhere from 106,200 to 106,400, and we even had an overnight retest, and that did not go well. Right, so immediately collapsed on daily open, came all the way back, and then didn't work out. So someone's selling out that level for sure. They think it's gone, and you know what? There's a fair argument for giving it up if it just couldn't get through. It's had, what was it? Breakdown, test, breakdown, retest. I mean, that's a pretty standard pattern for it. It's in trouble. Having said that, this is Bitcoin RSI divs on the 1 hour, though probably worth noting there's, the daily has been living in oversold territory for some time, but I wouldn't say that's divved up. I'm going to keep holding it until we get it close below 104,400, because I think well, it doesn't look great. It's not exactly collapsed out of the day. Yeah, we've had someone roll through, but that's is what it is. Let's have a look at the other one. So basically, if you took both levels, your order should be somewhere around here, an average. I still think you just hold till daily close below here, and you just see if it comes back up. I mean, we'll have a look at liquidations later, but they haven't been massive. 600 million over the last 24 hours. Look at ETH. ETH, more than anything, is holding up better. The daily's pretty stagnant. Let's look this up. I mean, it's still near the range highs. It's still trading in this range. I mean, it's kind of surprising to me it's held up so well in this kind of micro range. I mean, it had a big dip, but it didn't follow Bitcoin through on the second big dip that it's just had, which is, not bad. Personally, I'm still not that interested in getting involved up here. I think the risk reward is just a bit harder. Bitcoin isn't going as we'd hoped. It did bounce off the level. It's turned support into resistance, or is trying to. But this, if this cracks, you just got miles to go, and that's just not a world I like to live in. SPX, much of a muchness. Pre-open, Asian overnight. There's not too much to get on with here. Let's look at some other cool ones. I mean, hype just doesn't care. Yeah, absolute beast mode. Looking like a, gosh, let's look at this properly. Probably that's the range. Yeah, and it's basically, it did close below and it's just kind of pumped through. Are we getting an alt season a little bit? Let's have a look at totals. I wouldn't say so, no. Specific alts that are strong. Hype's been incredibly strong. Unbelievably so. Just, pumped through life itself. Yeah, so principally, I think I'm going to continue to hold this because on the high time frame, it's kind of given up this level, but there's still more to play.